Is there anyone who has not been told to eat their greens at some stage in life? Well, parents utter that a lot every dinner time, but it's with really good reason. It is easy to make the assumption that green vegetables can only be healthy for us. You would be correct, as researchers at the RPH Research Foundation have discovered that there are compounds in dark green leafy vegetables, including beetroot, which are doing all the good work. Nitrate and vitamin K1, both found in dark green leafy vegetables and beetroot, are thought to be effective at increasing the strength in muscles and the skeletal system. This in turn reduces the risk of fractures and falls and all of the long-term effects of these. Dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, silver beet, kale and beetroot can be easily incorporated into salads, stir-fries and even smoothies. One of my favourite recipes using these vegetables is my greens salad with roasted beetroot, sweet potato, toasted pine nuts and feta.